So if I understand you correctly, for those who are just interested in selling on Amazon or generally online, Walmart, TikTok Shop, they can start from investing in Helium 10 and then getting the course, like Freedom Ticket, right? So
Yes.
this would give people the ability to, yeah, exactly. Their award-winning training series. This is by initially was created by Kevin King, I believe, in 2016ish, 17. Then it went through 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. I don't know what's how it is now, but this one another, it's like a 20-hour I think course at this point, where
Yeah.
basically you can go from beginning to like the whole cycle of the Amazon seller journey, plus how to use Helium 10 tools. And this one is available. Maybe it's different now, the pricing plans, but it's available with the starter package of Helium 10, the most the best
Basic.
value
Yeah.
kind of package, and then this starter platinum diamond. So that's nice. So beginners can start. Current sellers can maybe just go through a course again. Why not? Like there's always something new to kind of learn and
Yeah.
implement, right?